Welcome to Ngobo Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. Eitada. This is Ngobo Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Amstel Arena, Orlando Pirates 1. Siwelele 1. My brother, kunjani mfethu?
Yebo kunjani mfethu? Long time no see. Hayi uchinje nokuchange. Shama cut.
Mama kahle mfethu.
Ku right at. Yeah, hey man, igame namhlanje mina ngienjoyile. We watched two brilliant teams.
Yeah.
Two brilliant teams. Badlala ibhola.
Bafo. Ngicela uye ngale, ungale lo muntu omfunayo. Sharp. No. Yeah, fine. Sharp.
Besibukela ibhola elimnandi no stress hayi into zakhona. Besibukela ibhola elimnandi bro yabona.
Into zakhona.
Yeah, into zakhona sijwayele. Yabona indaba abantu abayakhuluma nyabeza. uCoach Sema mfethu yesigela for into le. Makaze la utshelile ama player wakhe uthi anike odlala nabantu abancane. Udlala nama player. So uGoss is that's why bafana international. Riding monga analyzer why amthanda kanje. Uyamazi ukuthi unale capability la uye man of the match angibonanga man of the match ubani for me because he saved almost 5 to 6 goals and the Pirates first half beyifikile game plan ePirates beyisebenza because beba attacker ngale kusibili if you are aware amabhola bebafaka ngaphakathi bawisela usibili afike lapha izinto zakhe so unfortunately we could not convert and take our chances as usual which now is going to cost us because manje we went away la 1 point instead of 3 points, which is okay. I mean, I can't complain too much because of what I watched there. I enjoyed the game in Aputi, and you know, trouble manje. I'm fans pela they are on the toes. They want the league and can. League angeke uyithola ngenkani. Ngithola league mele koroma golden exactly. Yeah, we don't know what's going to happen next week ngalaba abanye, but hopefully we'll redeem ourselves on the next following game.
Perfect.
Bonga mina. Thank you.